Here we are in Mesa, Arizona, June the 16th, 2018, and it's raining. It hasn't rained here for about 4 months. See it coming off the roof there. Sidewalk's all wet. It's dripping off the roof. Some of you might call it sprinkling. Here's my little trailer. Just sitting there wanting to go somewhere. Well, it's probably less than 80 degrees out here today. And it is, I don't know, about 11 o'clock this morning. It's been raining since I woke up. I can barely tell, except in the fountain, which is full. My little garden. Plants are loving it. Give a little rainwater. To the plants that aren't getting any. They will love that. Have to water these every day because it's usually about 110 out. Today, we get a break. We get rain and we get some coolness. There's no heat in the air. Water my plants. I love the rainwater. Like I said, it hasn't rained here since about February. We have had a really dry year. Oops. Just got my phone wet. One more. This is my bird of paradise. What is this? This is a peace lily plant. And it hasn't ever bloomed. Give it a little bit more water. Got some leaves that time. That's okay. Oh, there is Sandy. Hi, Sandy. What are you doing there in the corner? Are you enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day? I have a beautiful garden. There's some high clouds out there. This is left over from Tropical Storm Bud. Might have been a hurricane, but it's just about gone now. We only had a 30% chance of rain today. But it's been raining almost all day. And I love it. see what else I have in my garden. There's a dinosaur. Puppy dog. An elf. Another elf who got his ear chopped off when my dog went nuts. Lamb. Are you the one that broke the elf's ear when you jumped over him? Sandy. I could sit out here all day, which is what I've been doing. So nice out here. For what's usually by this time of day, it would probably be 105. It's probably about 77 right now. Very, very nice. Very pleasant.